all gonna flood. Come on, we gotta warn them.
Maybe we can rapidly evolve into water creatures.
That's genius, Sid.
Call me Squid. Jeez, this whole thing's a piece of junk. I can't believe I live here. What?
Forget reeds. I present you with this revolutionary gizmo we call Bark! It's so buoyant, it actually floats!
I'll show you something that floats.
All right, it's your funeral! You see, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Giant balls of furry lava, the size of raining from the sky.
Go suck air through a reed.
You gotta listen to him. He's right about the flood.
I am? I mean, yes, I am.
Wait a minute. You're the one who said there wasn't going to be a flood. Why should we listen to you?
Because we saw what's up there. The dam's gonna break. The entire valley's gonna flood.
Flood's real, all right. And it's coming fast. Look around. You're in a bowl. Bowl's gonna fill up. Ain't no way out.
What are we gonna do?
Unless you can make it to the end of the valley. There's a boat. It can save you.
I don't see anything.
But y'all better hurry. Ground's melting, walls tumbling, rocks crumbling. Survive that, and you'll be racing the water. Because in 3 days' time, it's gonna hit the geyser fields. Boom! There is some good news, though. The more of you die, the better I eat. I didn't say it was good news for you.
Ooh, he must have been a real pleasure to have in class.
Let's move out.
Manny, you really think there's a boat?
I don't know, but in a few days, this place is going to be a mile underwater. If there's any hope, it's that way.